could have all of the data in one uniform place. However, the AI doesn't know what to do with it. What do the headers mean? What do the columns mean? And how does it actually manipulate this data to get the outcomes that you need? And I'll actually give you an example from my recent use cases. We just had columns that were full acronyms, and there were multiple columns that were just full acronyms across the whole data model. And the AI isn't going to know what that means. So here you need to have some sort of explanation to the AI so that it understands what those columns mean. Now, it's not just that, there's also going to be a row level information as well. Here's an example of customer type. You could have a customer type of 1, 2, and 3. The AI has no idea what 1, 2, and 3 means in this context. Now here, this is the context layer of actually having the AI understand what each one of these pieces mean. You may have heard semantic layer or knowledge layer. This all basically means the same thing, at least at this point. Now, there's a lot of information that could go into this layer, but I'm just going to give you some examples here. I'll say the most common one is a business glossary or some sort of dictionary. This could be what those codes are, what those tables mean, or along those lines. Another one could be any sort of tribal knowledge or institutional knowledge that the end users just know about it. There's also metrics definitions, for instance, active customers versus non-active customers. What does that specifically mean? And so the AI can understand that. And so here, the good thing about this is once you define the meaning once, it actually helps you essentially everywhere. So if you use the definition of active customer for structured retrieval, it will also help you with the unstructured retrieval as well. Now, one last thing I want to touch on here is just security in general, right? Being able to access, specific information on the data model level, or maybe some information at least on the context layer. All of these things also need to be added onto your security protocol as well here.